Hey guys, Sylvia here from Sylvia's Marketing. Guys, welcome to my Rich Riser review. Rich Riser is going live on the 2nd of July, and it was created by these two guys. I'll show them to you now. So Nagu and Kevin. Kevin is apparently a very, very experienced marketer, and he took Nagu on board, and they created this training course. Is like a video tutorial for you to show you how this method has worked for them. So this course would be, I would say, perfect for beginners in affiliate marketing, for those people who want to get their feet wet into affiliate marketing. So they will be showing you this method that Nagu used to make himself some nice commission, and he has just started really, and it is working really well for him. So he is sharing this method with you now. So basically so when you're an affiliate marketer, you're not producing, you're not creating anything. You don't have to create a product. You basically promote other people's products. So this is exactly what I am doing. I'm an affiliate marketer as well. So, I am creating this video to show you guys this product. And the best money is when you promote digital products. So the commission is best, anything from 50% onwards, even up to 100%. Okay, so in his tutorial videos, Nagu will show you how to, he will be specifically talking about products, about you as an affiliate marketer, finding products with a free trial. Okay, and then creating tutorial videos about those products. And also he will give you loads of tips on SEO, so how to rank high and all of that. And he will actually recommend a software, SEO software that is actually called Money Robot. But that's going to be all inside the product that I will be demonstrating for you shortly. Yes, so that's his method. He's tried it himself, it's worked for him, and he is now sharing it with you. So guys, if that's something for you, if you're interested into going into affiliate marketing, do check it out, stay with me. I'll be telling you much more about this training course, and then if you buy this product via the link that I have attached down below my video, then I am giving you some amazing bonuses, and that's my bonus page that you're looking at now. And the link to this bonus page is again below my video. As you can see on my bonus page, you will have a short description of this product, and then all of the prices. So you have the front end. The front end is going at $17 at the moment, and here for upsells. Okay, and then and if you scroll down, you will find my bonuses, and here they are, and they will truly complement this product beautifully, fantastically well. You will really get the most out of this product by using my bonuses. So the first one will be 35 plus bonuses to use in your promos. So if you promote other people's products like I am promoting now, it's awesome to offer some bonuses to your viewers, to your potential buyers, because this way you will encourage them to buy from you. Okay, and here they are, 35 bonuses that you can use for your promotions. And then we have a hack on how to make pro review videos using launch checker. Okay, so more tips on how to do amazing review videos, because long checking is when you promote other people's products and you make a review about this product. like a video review ideally. So this is what I am doing now, specifically. And then bonus number 3 is, with this one you will learn how to do proper email marketing, because that's a very critical factor as well, you know, because you want to be collecting those leads, emails, to build up your email list, because then, you know, once someone bought from you, then, you know, you would be collecting that person's email, and then you can send them more offers in the future, and, you know, hopefully they will buy from you again. Then we have another bonus, access Enigma, but this one is for first 12 hours only, and it will teach you more about how to make money online. Right, and here we have a special bonus, so-called special bonus, because it will give you access to all vendor bonuses that these guys have put on top of just the front end, and I'll actually show them to you now. They're on on the sales page. Just bear with me, guys. All right, and here they are. I just had to scroll down the sales page a little bit. So bonus number 1, it will show you how to earn $1,000 a day using Google's simple 6 steps formula that makes money without any investment. Then bonus number 2 is a simple 4 steps secret formula to make $10K per month. The new online business blueprint with step-by-step walkthrough. Bonus number 3, beginner's guide, how to build a website with WordPress from scratch. Learn how to write an article writing software, web hosting services. Amazing. Bonus number 4, long jacking. Full-time bank with part-time affiliate strategy. So 4 bonuses they throw on top of just the front end. And let's just go to the top of the sales page. Let's just go through the headlines. So, Rich Riser, discover our top secret blueprint. How I went, so this guy who created this with his partner Kevin, this method. How I went from 0 to $385 plus recurring on affiliate commissions, unlock free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. So it's, and you know, this training course also comes with a case study where he will show you how he's actually done that. So it's very, very newbie friendly. It's super newbie friendly. I would really recommend this training course mainly for beginners. Okay, you will find some testimonials here, guys. You will have 30-day money back guarantee. Do check out the sales page in your own time. And let's jump into the members area. And just to let you know, you access the sales page through my bonus page that is below my video. Okay, so here we are inside the members area. Okay, so this is this friendly guy. He's actually a colleague of mine from my amazing training course, Ministry of Freedom. So I'm very, very happy to support him, and I think he's done a great job. Okay, so we have like 14 lessons inside this training course, and here you will get a chance to, I think, like subscribe to his channel as well. You will find it somewhere. I'm sure I've seen it. Subscribe to his YouTube channel, and you know, jump into his Facebook group as well. And here you have like all of the upsells as well. So the Rich Riser Pro, double seller right. So when you will be able to sell Rich Riser as your own product and get and keep 100% commissions. Or you also, and then another upsell is one-to-one Skype coaching with those guys. Okay, so what do we have? So that's the content. So 14 lessons, like video tutorials. So that's the first one, the introduction from Nagu, then the method overview. So he will be briefly explaining to you, I think it's like about 10 minutes, I've actually watched it. And I've been through all of it, but that one in particular I watched from, beginning till the end. I was listening carefully. Okay, so he will tell you about how what this training will be all about, how to what products you will be promoting, and then what you will be doing in order to promote those products, so the video tutorials, and he will mention that how to actually rank high so you can be found by people. And then you have the resources, so it will be like a written, in a written form that you see, like how to get the free TubeBuddy account, and then he recommends picking products from ClickBank, because you don't really have to, like on this platform, that's where like the vendors launch the products, but you don't have to ask them for approval, to be honest, from ClickBank. And then the SEO software that he's using is called Money Robot. And yeah, now we go to the main content, and here we have this. So the first lesson in that main content is how to find offer with free trial. So this is precisely what he's talking about, like promoting products that come with this free trial, and then people will get it from you. They'll try it, because who doesn't want something for free that he can try for free, he or she, and then very often they will like it and they will want to stick to it, and of course they will buy from you. If you've done the promotion well, and you allow them to try this product for free. So it's a smart way, I must say. Then next one is how to make tutorial video, and the blueprint is included. Then how to find easy to rank keyword, so revealed inside. Then the next lesson is the framework to pursue traffic quickly, so how to get traffic quickly. And then secure top rank. Lesson number 8, secure top rank permanently. Okay, nice. Okay, and then we have a case study. So he's gonna tell you all about how he has made his online income, and he's doing very, very, very well so far. And then what to do next, and then take funny quiz. Cool. Ensure you're understanding about, okay, so he wants to make sure you've understood all about this method. And then access bonuses. So the bonuses I have already shown you guys on the sales page. Yeah. So this is it, guys. A nice looking tutorial course for affiliate marketers, and I would emphasize it again for beginners who want to get their feet wet into affiliate marketing. So guys, if you're interested, do buy it via my link below my video, and don't forget you're getting my amazing bonuses on top of just the front end for $17. And then you have all of the upsells here. Do check them out, guys. I have mentioned them briefly. They're inside the product, so you can access them from inside the product. Right, okay, thank you so much for your time, and I shall see you in my next video. And as always, don't forget to like if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel. I'll be making those reviews videos on a regular basis to show you the best products out there, digital products, training courses and all of that, how to make money online. Alright, have a beautiful day, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye!